What's going on, guys? So we are currently attempting to install a boost gauge on Tyler's truck. See, we got, what the hell? We got the boost gauge right here. This stuff, we're waiting on a part to put it to the fuse box because it's got like 7 different colors, but we got the hose lining and Teflon tape for a nice secure grip. And yeah, we'll get back to you. All right, so we're probably gonna cut a slit in one of the vacuum hoses and put the T in, and yeah, we're just gonna try to run it that way. All right, so we got it into the vacuum line, and now it's time to put these clamps on, get a nice secure grip.
Hey, wanna get me a rag? Like, for real?
Man up.
Jesus.
All right, we'll be back. Music in this. Dude, I'm gonna do that for this one. It's gonna be a nice cinematic, getting all close.
I'll show you where it is. Hold on. There's a, you can see it. You gotta pull this off. Hold on. Blow smoke, Brandon? What? This thing blows smoke.
We got the boost gauge set up, and we're gonna try to start it up right now.
Oh. The breaker was on. I don't know. That was a rough start. Be sure this works. How much is it going on?
It goes up a little bit.
Blue smoke!
Blue smoke? That's supposed to be blowing blue smoke. Wait. Blue smoke is bad. Black smoke is good. I'm gonna let one run for a little longer. I just let it work for like another 3.